Hi, I'm Gary. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm opening the 6th Matchbox Challenge kit from viewer Simon John. If you don't know about this, Matchbox was a huge name in the model industry when I was young, and I have very fond memories of building them. Simon has decided to send me some kits to make, but I don't know what they are until I open them on camera. So let's have a look at what he sent me to build this time. So here it is, Matchbox kit number 6. It's small, it's quite lightweight, so I have no idea what it is. As you can see, all I've done so far is just cut the address labels off because I don't want to be putting that on YouTube. I have absolutely no idea what's in here, so let's crack on and have a look. Gently get these bits of tape undone. There you go. It's so much like Christmas, it's undone. Simon's Matchbox Challenge. There we go. Thank you very much, Simon. Grand to see. It's a small one. It's a small kit. I'm intrigued. It means I might be able to make it quite quickly. Although, if it's something like multiply difficult biplane or something, I might not be able to. But what is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? Ah, it's put a sheet of white paper on the top as well. It is the Macchi Folgore C202. Oh, what fun! Oh, I do like an Italian aeroplane. I do like the Italian camouflage. I've got some Italian camouflage paint. Oh, that is charming. Oh, what a lovely thing. What an absolutely lovely thing. Mate, thank you so much. Oh, I do like this. I have a nightmare with masking that up. But otherwise, oh, it's beautiful. Let's have a look inside. Let's have a look inside. This hasn't been opened for a while. Look, these are still intact. I've got it. Oh, look, there we are. There it is. Oh, single colour plastic. My goodness, it's a Matchbox kit and there's only one colour of plastic. Look at it. Look at it. It's lovely. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. There's the canopy. Oh, the canopy's tiny. Oh, that's going to be amazing. I might try and clean that up a little bit. Comes with a crew figure. Very good. Oh, superb. Absolutely superb. Simon, you've done it again, mate. Oh, the colour scheme there. And decals, which actually don't look too bad at all. Now, this is, now these decals are printed by Revel, so I'm guessing this is a later release. So the decals are going to be in a good state. I can use these ones straight out of the box, which is excellent. Absolutely excellent. Yeah, just 2 pages of instructions, man. This is not going to take a long time to actually build, is it? Beautiful. The time is going to be in the paint job, obviously, because we're going to do the mottled paint job work, and it's going to look spectacular. Oh, mate, thank you so much. I love it. I absolutely love it. I love Italian planes. I love their camouflage patterns. They had a certain elegance about them as well. So the Macchi Folgore. Well, that's going to be a fun thing to build. Let's have a look at some of these parts now. The fuselage hub. So you've got this huge injector sprue in here that can cut off. Tiny bit of flash here. I think very forgivable considering the agent. Well, in fact, a bit more flash coming around here, but not awful. Easy to get rid of. It's not like obscuring detail or anything. Plastic's quite shiny looking, so I might give that a good wash because I'm not sure they didn't use any release agents on this because this is very shiny. Quite hard plastic as well. All the panel details are raised on this. I'm not going to rescribe them or anything like that. I don't really need to. The interior looks fine. There's just like a single little thing here for the seat to, like a crossbench for the seat to sit on and the pilot to sit on. But then this isn't ever designed as a really high resolution model. It's designed for fun, and I love it. I absolutely love it. The wing pieces, again, they're all raised panel lines, and I'm not going to cut those out. But, you know, they're crisp and clean enough looking. See how they actually go together, of course, relatively. Actually quite flat, still a little bit of an upward twinge at that end, but nothing major. Other parts of the flying surfaces here. Again, a little bit of flash at the back there, but not terrible. Hello, here's our pilot, which we're calling Mauro. Mauro, the pilot. That's his seat there on that cross member. These undercarriage parts are quite flash ridden, as are these here. And this has got a lot of flash on it, but it will clean up at least. Wheels okay. The other wheel is in the box. I did check. Lots of parts have come off the frame, so it's not grand. Yeah. Propeller, again, a little bit of flash at the end there. It just needs to be a bit careful when we clean that off, because the flash and the part are sort of merging there. That's quite a thin part of plastic there, so I might have to be a bit careful just getting that done up, but it's not awful. Yeah, that's about it. The decal sheet, as you can see, very crisp looking, very nice actually. So this is why I'm saying this is a much later addition to the kit. So if we can get a bit closer, have a look at some of the detailing there. Seems grand. You know, for a 1/72 scale single engine fighter, I think this is more than enough, to be honest with you. Nice Italian stake markings at the back there in the white middle of the white cross. Very good. Yeah, very impressed by those. Very impressed indeed. It's a lovely little kit and shouldn't take too long to build, but the scheme may take a bit of work to make it look right. However, I do have a set of Italian camouflage paint, so I'm up for it. Check out the build video that is coming very soon. If you enjoyed this reveal, then please remember, give it the old Imperial thumbs up, hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. It's free and a great way to show your support. Thanks very much for watching today, and goodbye.